What's up guys, Dark here and welcome to another MySQL database tutorial. So today guys, I'm going to teach you guys how to take the information from MySQL database. In this part, I will make this multi-part so it will be more understandable for me to explain you guys what's going on. So let's create a database first. If you are in the freesodomain.org, you will need only the name and the rest you get by itself. But in the 00v web post, you must put the database name, your password, and that's it. So database name, I think database username too, you can put username too and password. So basically right now I'm gonna create my database, Darkingate. Let's go into this and let's create a new table. So let's go ahead and say table name is user, and number of columns here will be or 3 or 4 or 2, doesn't matter. Like if you're depends on how big you want to your registration be. So ID must be int means the numbers, and this username is varchar. So varchar is varchar, okay? So varchar is a thing like David is a varchar. 2555 678 this is the int. Alright, so basically the length is the maximum at this point. So 255 is the maximum, and you can make like 8, 6, 12, how many you want. So primary, unique. So why it's primary? It's because it's a ID. ID must be ID is a primary, and ID is auto inheritment, not the not the artificial intelligence guy. It's auto inheritment. And the unique. What means unique? Unique means it's a unique. It can be repeated. So if my name is Dark, and someone comes and say like, hey, my username, I want it to be Dark, but no, it will say like, no, it's an error. But if they try to avoid this error through the cheating and coding, if they know, they will meet the MySQL. So MySQL will tell like, hey, you know what, this is unique. Maybe you avoid it in the registration page, but no, you're not going anywhere. So that's what it means actually. Let's click OK because it looks fine for me. Alright, now everything is done. We don't need this anymore, but let's go ahead and insert one of them so it will be more understandable for you guys. And let's add one more. Let's add one more. Okay. Alright, let's close and let's insert one more. Alright, so let's insert to the Darkingate and Dark, and hit the go. Alright, so we have now two of them. One of them is Dark and the second one is Darkingate. So let's get the information from them. This is the first part of the tutorial, getting the information. So let's go ahead and create new file. Create new file. Let's say dblog.php. There you go. View and open. Clear white page. So let's go ahead and go to Darkingate. Darkingate.gp.tn/log. Oh, dblog. Okay, sorry. dblog.php. So as you can see, it's there, and let's echo something. Let's echo the ASD. Oh, we can't echo. Wait. We need to say PHP because every PHP file, every PHP code runs through PHP. So we need to say PHP until we say echo, because echo is the PHP command. Alright, that's why you must say like that. Alright, so now we are going to try and connect to the database. Let's say Dark. If the connection is okay, it's gonna say Dark. Alright, so let's say MySQL underscore. So every MySQL command starts with MySQL underscore. So MySQL underscore, now I'm gonna say connect. That means I'm ordering MySQL I'm ordering this page to connect with MySQL, and it's gonna require some things, right? It's not gonna go ahead and, yeah, you know what, maybe you're a cheater or not, but I'm gonna connect with it. No, it's gonna require the host, the username of MySQL database, and the user password, and the database itself. So this one is host, this one is user name, and this one is password. Alright, now let's get all of this. So as you can see, guys, there is a host. There is my host right here. There is my username right here, and my password is cpanel password, so it's not showing here, 151191. Alright, now let's connect to the database. Let's select what database we want. So it's really easy, guys. It's completely English, like completely English. Select database, you just say that. If you want to do something, just say that. So we want to connect with this one. We want to select this one. And if you know English, you will probably have a good time with the MySQL. Alright, so let's click Ctrl and save our information. See, uploaded. Great. Alright, let's refresh, and if it says dark, or if you just say bad gateway. Alright, it works. Oh my god, so it was the internet or the server crash. It's not my fault, guys. It's not my fault. Alright, so now we're gonna get information from this. Let's say get equals MySQL underscore query. So we're gonna require from the MySQL or request MySQL to do something. That's what query means. We're gonna say select everything from users. So what's in the caps? It's actually MySQL commands, and everything is the star. So if you say star, it means everything, but you can't get like every query possible. Alright, so you need to say like this. Now I'm gonna say MySQL underscore fetch underscore array, and right here I'm gonna say the get. Alright, fetch array, this one. So that means I'm getting the everything from the, I'm getting every column from the table named user. You know what I mean? Probably not. Alright, so let's go ahead and do this, but right here it's not gonna show anything because we did not say anything to echo. Alright, so let's say echo, and right here let's echo what we want. So let's first echo the right here we must say the G equals. So first we must echo G and username. Then we will add this one like that, and we're gonna say G user pass. So let's save and let's see if we receive the information correctly. Alright, so let's see. Okay, so username and user password. It's kind of strange. A hole. Fuck you. Jesus Christ. Alright, so yep, there you go. Dark and dark. But there is only one. So how can we make this be all of them? We'll just say while command. Using while command we can get every information what exists in the database. So we're saying while this is that, and we get the second command, second one too. So Now what we can do, we can say now that, and right here we can say br, that will make them go in the center like that. And now we can make them go center. Sorry, I said it wrong last time. Alright, sorry. Space, dot, space, and there, right here, we're gonna say HTML colon. So what's in the double colon? It's the HTML command. So we're gonna say center, and everything going to center. Alright, so now we're gonna say one more. Body and the background color equals the gray. Alright. Now let's refresh and our background color is gray. That's great. Great. Alright, so let's say the font color equals the blue, and right here we're gonna say font. Alright, so let's see. Okay, now let's say font and the size equals let's say 18. Alright, so let's go ahead, let's refresh. There you go. Great. Great. So the font is ending here. That's it, guys, for this video. Next video I'm gonna teach you guys how to do the registration, means adding stuff in this MySQL table. And the next one will log in and log out and stuff like that. So right now, thanks for watching, guys. If you like the video, just punch the like button. The code will be in the description below. Oh, it can't be because there is this kind of things that the YouTube doesn't allow. So the code will be in your monitors, I guess. And also this code, the fully code is right here into darkingate.gpt.tn. So I can put the full code in the description below, the link to it. So go ahead and check it out, download for yourself, try for yourself, and it's really cool, guys. You can make your own website, registration and stuff like that. You can make your own engine with this. As I said, leave a like if you like this video, comment me down below if you have any suggestions, ideas about the online game or about this MySQL. For example, protection from MySQL injection. This you can ask me, no problem. I will teach you guys in the next episode. Right now, that's all for this video what I got. Thanks so much for watching again, and I will see you in the next video.